Okay.
Hey guys, it's Bezza here, your favorite real estate chick, and
Zach, your favorite sales guy.
okay, because last time you thought you were the dingo, so I'm glad that
I still don't know what you're talking about. I know you called me out, but I still don't get what you're talking about. Man, she's a liar.
I'm glad that you're calling yourself the favorite sales guy now. So
Who's favorite sales guy? Yours?
dingoes,
No, he hates me right now.
Ohio Cashflows.
Okay.
There you go.
All right.
Crowd favorite.
Yeah.
There you go.
All
All right, guys, we are in Rossford right now at another property walkthrough. A pretty cool house that we want you guys to check out.
I thought we were in Toledo. That's 2 Point Place houses and a Rossford house.
I know. Well, these are all surrounding Toledo.
Yeah, we
right?
love these. We love this neighborhood.
You know any numbers on this house, or should we save that for the inside?
Let's save that for the inside. Yeah, let's let them get their taste buds a little bit tantalized, and we will give them numbers on the inside. But as you can see, guys, this is a beautiful street, beautiful neighborhood. Rossford is highly coveted by people that want to rent. Great school system. It's outside of the city limits. Yeah, I mean, I can't say enough about how happy I was when this deal came across my desk and I was able to sell it within just a couple days. So rehab just got done. Let's head inside.
Sounds good. Hey guys, so you just had a chance to check out the property. I don't know if you saw this though. Wait, before I show that, give me some numbers on the property.
So this is a 1,100 square foot house, and 1,100 square foot house, excuse me, correcting my English. 3 bed and 1 bath with an extra toilet. Is that what we want to call it?
Matt, you want to take a look in there? It's just a toilet.
Well, it's clean.
Looks great. Just don't expect anybody to wash their hands.
So we're gonna call that 3-bedroom, one bathroom and a toilet.
Yes.
Maybe an eighth? One and an eighth?
Yeah, 1 and an eighth bath. I like it. Good job, Bezza.
Okay, what's the rent on this one?
The rent on this one, guys, is $850. We rent this thing all day long. The applications were flying through as soon as we started marketing it for rent. Sold in a heartbeat, like I said, outside. You know, this is great property. Everybody wants to go to the Rossford school system, outside of the city limits, so it's great for a family. 3 bed, 1 bath.
Did you mention the cap rate?
10%.
10%?
10%
Awesome.
outside of Toledo, guys. That's unheard of. So, yeah.
Cool.
Here we are.
Thanks for joining us on this property walkthrough. If you want to see more properties and more videos like this, you can check that out on YouTube, but of course, head to ohiocashflow.com. There you can see a lot of pictures and slideshows of more of the properties, learn more about Ohio Cashflow, and of course, sign up for the investor app.
Yeah, fill out that investor app, guys. You know, time's running out. The Ohio Cashflow Club is filling up quick. I think we only have around 20 spots left. Don't quote me on that. But, you know, hurry up, give me a call, send us an email. I'll be the one you guys are going to talk to. We'll show you properties like this all day long. We have them falling off of trees here. So as the inventory dwindles down across the country with the real estate market, Ohio Cashflow has no trouble.
Awesome.
We keep Bezza busy.
Anything you need to know, check out the description box below, and we will see you at the next property.
See you guys.